Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So today we are going to see how to activate cheats on Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So in order to improve your gameplay and to get commands, like to give commands, especially you need to activate cheats. So for that what you need to do is pause the game and then click on save and quit, and then go to my world survival on the most recent one, press on edit and then scroll down to the fourth, cheats, and then you can activate it, turn it on, and then what you can see is automatically all the other options have also been turned on, which will help you in the gameplay. And then press play and then you can see that you can give commands. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.